So we're going to do a trial to see how long 1 kilogram of bamboo runs for. So we just set the fuel up, put almost half the fuel inside, and then set up some smaller pieces on the top to get our hot charcoal layer going. That should be it. Start the fire and then put the pot on. And add the water. So we just start up, and there's a little bit of smoke at the start. So at 5 minutes, no smoke and water starting to boil. So 45 minutes still boiling away. Gas production. Still got a little bit of wood to feed in. So this burns back a bit. So at around 50 minutes I've just broken up and added the last of the fuel. The only thing I'm worried about now is am I going to boil off all the water. See the good gas production. So at just over an hour I'm going to stop it because the water's already boiled off. Looks like it's all carbonized. I'm going to try and scoop out the charcoal. So after running the stove for 1 hour and boiling off 2 litres of water, we still have all this fixed carbon. So there's plenty here to plant a couple of seedlings.